Welcome to our installation video. In this video, we will guide you apply Spark RADIMIX sticker to your Cardo Freecom, ensuring a successful and professional-looking installation. Let's get started. Before applying the stickers, make sure to clean your Cardo thoroughly to remove any dust or debris. This will ensure a smooth and long-lasting application. Peel off the sticker and carefully align it with the desired position on your headphones. Take your time to line it up accurately, ensuring a perfect fit. Starting from the right side of the headphones, begin applying the sticker. Align it with the inner line of the outer area, gently pressing it down to secure its position. Once the sticker is in place, use your fingers or a soft cloth to smooth out any air bubbles or wrinkles, ensuring a seamless and professional look. It's better to allow the sticker to fully adhere for 24 hours before handling or using your headphones. This ensures maximum adhesion and longevity. Sticker material is highly resistant to tears, scratches, and cracks, ensuring durability and longevity. It is designed for easy application, allowing you to achieve professional results with minimal effort. If desired, you can use a hairdryer on a low heat setting to gently blow dry the top of the sticker. This will enhance its adhesion and ensure a long-lasting application. Spark RADIMIX sticker is waterproof and resistant to weak acids, alkali, and salt, making them suitable for various environments. When you decide to remove the decals, rest assured that they leave no sticky residue behind. Thank you for your watching. This is Stickerbao.